Hey everyone, Suman this side from Marketing Wikipedia team, and in this particular video, I am going to show you how you can buy your first domain name. Now, so let's start it. I'm in a page of Godaddy. So after that, you have to sign up with your Gmail account from here and keep this mail account safe and secure. Okay, and I hope you already chose your domain name. So let's suppose we are going to make a website on bakery. So I already chose a domain name which is Backstation. Now let's check is this domain is available or not. Uh, so backstation.in is available. Now let's check backstation.com. Is that available? Backstation.com is taken. So let's stick with .in. Now you can scroll down and you can see the lots of suggestions. Backstation.com, backstation.in, Backplace. This one is premium one. So here you can see there is backstation.com. We are not going to buy it because of this extra s. Okay. So now click add to cart and continue to cart. Okay. So for now we don't need any business mail. It costs 29 per month. Keep it simple and see. From here we are in the 4 step process. From here you can register your domain. Now let's fill the form. The number and the address is okay. Keep it simple. And West Bengal. Let's check one more time and it's okay. Let's save it first. So now, so in the right tab, we are going to register our domain for 1 year. Okay, and you can register for multiple years, but the price will get higher. The 10 years, 5 years, you can see the 7,301 rupees. Uh, let's stick with 1 year, and for renew you have to pay 599 per year. Okay, we don't need any mail, so the price is 259. So this process is very simple. So now you can see where you can pay the money to Godaddy for registration. So here the credit card, net banking, debit card, wallets, the many options. I am not going to register domain because I already registered a domain, but follow the steps. After that, Godaddy will send you an email, and it take less than 2 3 hours for activation. Okay. After activation, you can see your domain. Let me see you where you can see your domain. So for that, I have to sign up with my another account. Okay, I am sign up with my another account. So from here you can see the domain name will look like this. Let's see one more time. Go to the manage. See, here is your contact details and everything. Okay. So for now the process is very simple, and let's make how you can buy domain name from Google domain. So here the process is simple. Let's check our domain name extension.in. So it's take couple of minutes for loading. Now let's have a look on Google domain. So I already registered and it cost 860 per year. Let's continue with add to cart. So here we don't need auto renew and we don't need any G suite. So let's proceed to checkout. Mm, see, the process is same. So you have to add your credit card number from here, and you can add a promo code from here, and directly you can buy. So but it is look little bit expensive, 860 plus tax. So you can compare the price also. Okay, now let's check Namecheap. See, let's search our domain name registration.in. uh, Continue to add to cart, and it cost 751. Here you can add web hosting, the professional mail SSL, which is very important, but most of the provider provide SSL certificate too. So we are going to see this in next hosting module. So the price is 750. Okay, now let's check out how the checkout process look like. See, the thing is same. It cost 753. The process is very simple. I hope you understand how to register domain and the process how you can book a domain name, and you have to buy the domain name right now, because of in next video we are going to buy hosting, and so for that we must have a domain name. All right, so if you guys are having any trouble by in buying domain, please let me know in the group, in my chat. Okay, please let me know, and see you in the next one.